Hello and welcome to Amethyst Star Crafting. My name is Jane Allmark and I'm a UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And at Stampin' Up we have what's called the retirement list. Before a new catalogue comes out, and the new annual catalogue is coming out in June, they will retire products from the old catalogue, and I will leave a link down so you can go across and have a look at the whole lot. I'm not going to go through the whole lot, it will take me forever. However, there are some amazing 60% bargains, so 60% off, so you can get some stamp sets, some really cheap prices, and I thought I'd make you aware of some of those. It's not all of them, it's just some of the ones that I've identified and looked at and thought, yes, I really like those. Now, the first one is, it's on page 44 of the catalogue, but if you have a look through, it's Winds of Change. Now, this is just absolutely lovely. It's got tulips in there, it's got windmills, it's got lovely sentiments, really spring-like, but you can take it through, you know, a little bicycle with a nice thank you sentiment on it. And it's normally £22. It is £8.80p. So, you know, less than £10, you get 7 cling stamps in there, and as I say, I think that's an absolute bargain. The font on that's beautiful, really like it. So that's one I'd recommend because that's a real bargain. Okay, I'm going to say bargain a lot in here, but here we go. Again, you can never be too early for Christmas. I know people start Christmas in June, which is only a couple of months away. This one, Merry Christmas to All, it retails at £25. It's now £10. Huge fonts, Happy Merry Christmas Holidays, May the beauty of the season fill your heart. Then you've got Bright, Happy Cheer, Wishes. You can use it for any other time of the year with some cheer or some wishes or those sorts of things. So £10. That is 28 stamps. So £28, sorry, 28 stamps for a tenner. I think's absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go through these because I'm going to say amazing and great too often otherwise. The Darling Label Punch Box. Now, I thought this would make a great Christmas present or birthday present or something for somebody. You get in there... you get a punch, which punches out all of the labels. You get 2 ink spots, which are in Grapefruit Grove, so an orange and a blue. You get a clear block, and you get the stamps, and you get this beautiful tin. Now, it retails £42. It's now £16.80. So, lovely gift to give to somebody. So, you know, that's one that's worth having. Anybody who's a bit of a stamper, or even not, you know, first time beginner stamping, you get everything in there. It's a complete kit and a nice tin as well. Daisy Delight. The punch is available and will always be available, I think, for a very long time. But the actual stamp set for this one, which is for the large one, is now £6.40. So it was £16, it's now £6.40. As I say, just ridiculous prices. Now, as I say, I'm only going to go through the ones that are really good. Now, these, and I got some of these myself. I don't know whether you can see, I'm trying to lift it up a bit. Foil-edged cards and envelopes. You get 20 cards and 20 envelopes. They are 5.5 by 4.25. That's the folded card, so reasonable size, and the envelope's 5 3/4 by 4.5. And they retail at £9.25. They're now £3.70. Now, £3.70 for 20 cards and envelopes. Work that out. Gold, silver, beautiful. You can do whatever you want on the front. Absolutely brilliant. And if you like shiny, glimmery paper, the glimmer paper, the rose one, which is this one, normally £4.75, £1.90. £1.90 for, how many sheets do you get? 2 large 12 by 12 sheets of rose glimmer paper. Again, you can't go wrong with that. And here's another little kit, tags and more accessories kit. It's down to £3.30. You've got, I'm not going to read out the whole lot because I'll put it on there, but you can see on there you've got tags, you've got clips, you've got twine, and you've got washi tape. £3.30. Again, lovely little gift you could give to somebody just for. And then this little kit I thought was worth looking at. This kit is normally £33. Ever so pretty, this one. It is, again, makes 20 cards, 5 each of 4 designs, and you get all of those things in there, all the cutouts, all of the things. So if you're looking for, again, a present for somebody, £13.20 now. So absolutely brilliant. Oh, have I got them all in there, or did I miss that one? Okay, so those are the ones that I think are too good to miss. There is lots and lots and lots in there as well. So I'm literally only just skimming the surface, but otherwise it would go on too long because I like to sort of show you what I think is really good. And now on to the mini catalogue. And this one I think is really lovely as well. Morning Star. It's really nice. You've got lovely sort of floral images on there. It's distinctive, so you get that 3D effect out of it. So you've got stars in there, but you've also got these lovely little leaves and things like that. Each day is a new beginning. Thank you for being you. You are the best. And it normally is £16. £6.40. £6.40 for 14 photopolymer stamps. Yes, worth getting that one. Then we've got Perfectly Framed, which again, if you like doing little tiny things, so you've got lots of little tiny floral images and things. You've got a to and a from, which will go for any time of year. And you've got beautiful sort of little sayings and things like that in there. 16 photopolymer stamps, £6. Was £15. So, you know, real bargaining on there. Right, let me go through. Okay, this is another one, which again, Easter time, but if you like flowers, can go on for all sorts of times of the year. Easter Promise, £7.20 now, was £18. You've got the lovely flowers, which will go for borders and things, and you've got the cross, which again will go for sort of any time of year. May the promises of his wonderful gift fill your heart with peace and joy. So again, you know, it's not necessarily just for Easter. You could do the flowers for other things, £7.20. So real bargain on that one. Notelets. Notelets are great when you don't want to do, you know, great big huge cards. You want to put just something in there. Now these are normally £7.50. They are 24 cards and envelopes, and they're now £3. So, you know, stock up on your notelets and things for £3. You can't go far wrong. And then there's 2 kits here, which I thought I would mention because, again, kits are lovely to give as gifts for people. We've got this one, which is Seriously the Best. 8 cling stamps. So you've got hello friend, thanks, congratulations, a floral bit, some little flowers, and you can make 16 cards from this. So, no, forget about that bit. It's the Seriously the Best, 16 cards. So you get all of this to make all of the cards, all of those bits in there. And that's now £11.20. And then the Botanicals, which again is a lovely set. It's quite a big one. You've got all of those things in here. So you've got stencils, you've got a stamp set, you've got all sorts of things. Beautiful present again, and it is normally, what is it, let me find the price, £65. It's down to 26. So again, you know, a real bargain. As I said, I've only literally touched on the surface. These are only the 60% off, some of them. There's lots and lots in there. There's 45% off, 50% off, 35% off. I'll put the link below. So if you're a crafter of any sort, you like stamps which are great quality, the quality of Stampin' Up is superb, have a little look, get yourself a bargain. Thank you so much for watching me. Do look forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.